So my first question, Meenal, to you is regarding GA, which is actually a pain area for many. People say that no, there is a lot of content. How do we read? There are a lot of news. So you scored 68. So first of all, what was your source? Because you scored 68, that's really commendable. And how did you manage things? Because even if you are referring one source, there are a lot of news to be read about. So how did you manage to remember all those things till the exam day?
So I'll talk about my sources, sir. So for GA, I prefer things in MCQ form. That's my personal preference. I know you miss out on data a little bit, but that is a risk that I am willing to take and I'm okay with. So I used Affairs Cloud. They on a daily basis they have around 25 or 30 questions prepared from both static and the current portion. I did that on a daily basis. So whatever was there, I would put it on a flashcard, and flashcards is what I would use for revision. Then second source I used was GK Today. They also take out a set of 10 MCQs every day, which I used to put on my flashcards again so that I could revise it again later. I used EduTap monthly PDF, which I do it cover to cover, the entirety of it. So it has portions of like what will come in phase 1 as well as phase 2. So it has specific portions for ESI and FM. So I did the entirety of it. Then I used Vision IAS, which I did selectively. I only did the economics and social issues portion and the end where they have boxed current affairs. End of the PDF, you will find boxed current affairs. So these are the 4 sources I used. And whenever I used to do it, like the static small portions, like what you need for phase 1, I would put it on flashcards. And then I would make it a point to revise 40 odd flashcards every day while I was walking outside or doing something. So that is how I kept up with my revision also simultaneously while using these sources.